Samsung Galaxy M51 launched. The Samsung Galaxy M51 has been launched in Germany and is currently available for the pre-orders on the company website. According to the website, the Samsung Galaxy M51 features a quad rear camera setup, a punch-hole display, and side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The USP of this smartphone is about 7000 mAh battery that comes with 25 watts fast charging support. The company has already started teasing it in India, debuted on Amazon, and rumors mill suggest that the phone could be launched in India in the second week of September. The phone is said to be priced at 30,000 in the country. Addict by Boat, affordable audio products launched on Amazon India. Addict by Boat, a new sub-brand from popular Indian audio brand Boat, has been launched in India on Amazon. The brand is made for Amazon, suggesting that it has been developed in partnership with the e-commerce giant and its products could be exclusively sold through the e-retail giant in the country. The product range from the Addict by Boat includes wireless headphones and speakers are starting at $299 for the wired earphones, going up to $1,299 for the true wireless earphone. Redmi K30 5G model may launch in India. According to a report, Redmi K30 5G may be launched in India. Citing a tipster, the report claims that the smartphone could be offered with the frost white and mist purple colors in the country. Additionally, it is also reported that the phone could be launched with 6GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB, and 8GB plus 128GB configurations. Xiaomi spin-off company Redmi launched the Redmi K30 and K30 5G in China in December. The Redmi K30 was launched in India in February as a Poco X2. Mi Watch Revolve and Mi Band 5 to launch in India soon. Mi Watch Revolve and Mi Band 5 are reportedly going to launch in India soon. The Mi Watch Revolve is yet to be the rebranded version of the Mi Watch Color that was launched in China earlier. If true, the smartwatch will be the first from the Xiaomi to launch in India. The Mi Band 5 was unveiled in China and is now expected to launch in India soon. The exact launch of the both wearables is not known. Realme 7 surfaces in alleged unboxing video ahead of official launch. Realme 7 has been allegedly spotted in the unboxing video that has been since taken down. Screenshots from the video were captured by a tipster and shared on Twitter, showing an 8GB plus 128GB variant phone in a blue Irish color. The retail box from the phone has some specifications for the Realme 7 as well. The company will unveil the Realme 7 series, including the Realme 7 and Realme 7 Pro, on September 3rd in India, and almost every specifications of the two phones has been leaked. Tecno Spark Go 2020 to launch in India. Tecno Spark Go 2020 is teased to launch in India on September 1st. The phone is already listed on Flipkart. That's confirmed the availability on the e-commerce website. The listing teases key specifications of the Tecno Spark Go 2020 along with a few design details as well. The Tecno Spark Go 2020 is likely the successor of the Tecno Spark Go that was launched in the last year. The new model is teased to feature a large 6.52-inch display, much bigger than the 6.1-inch display on the last year's Tecno Spark Go.